Hey guys, what's going on? It's Ben here, and I got some cool camera lens protectors for my S23 Ultra. I'm going to attempt to make it look more like my Z Fold 5. You guys by now probably know that I'm obsessed with making my devices look the same. So, and the other day I put on some screen protectors for the camera on the Z Fold 5 from a company called WSKEN, and if you want you can check out that video. Okay, and this is from Spigen, of course, and it's for the Galaxy S23 Ultra. It's a camera lens protector. Get a cool kit here, instructions, and all the stuff you need to do this. This is it right here. This is the little rings that are going to go on the camera, and the removal sticker. And keep this, don't get rid of this, because this is the cool little tool that you're going to use to pop it up to pry them off if you don't want those on there. Because, and a little bit of an alert here, but once you put these on here, you can take them off at any time, but all of the cases aren't going to work for it, because the cases are cut out so tight around the camera lens that a lot of the cases do not work with these camera lens protectors. I learned that the hard way with the Z Fold 5. In fact, I've only got 2 cases so far that will work with it. And if you want to get around that, try and get the one that's cut out like a P shape, and that'll work. Okay, grab my rag, grab my cleaning stuff. I know they tell you not to spray it directly onto your device. You need to spray it onto the rag first. Don't do what I do. Do the opposite of what I do. We're going to clean those camera lenses up real good before we stick the screen protectors on there. And another thing I like to use when I'm doing this is my little Spigen brush, because then it gets the crumbs and little stuff out of the nooks and crannies of the camera here. Just like that. And this will get rid of any dust as well. And we're going to take our dust removal sticker. And we're going to do it like this, to make sure that there's nothing gets sealed in there and stuck between the protector and the camera. Okay. And we're going to peel this part off. And you set it on there like that. They made it pretty easy to do this because they made the cutouts just right. They lined everything up for you, so you don't have to line anything up. And you just set it on there. And you're going to press and slide your finger across like this, kind of hard. This is sealing down the lens like this. And then we're going to just pop this off here. Like that. Done. Cool, right? Easy enough, huh? Now that looks better, doesn't it? That looks way better. Wow, that looks cool. See? The Z Fold 5 and the S23 Ultra. Same color. Cool, huh? You see how far it sticks out there now. Sticks out pretty far now. And it also gives you a nice little, a nice little silver finish around the two sensors on the end here. I forget what they're called, the telephoto and the, I don't know, whatever they are. Because they're black before, and now they're chrome. So that looks even better than it did stock, I think. Okay, that's all. Later.